Alright guys, so I know it's been a while. I'm gonna get you guys updated on everything that I've had going on. One of them being getting the motor out of my car and taking it to go get fixed. More than anything, get it inspected to see how bad the damage is. Unfortunately, I think the damage is a lot worse than I actually expected, but we'll see. I'm gonna get the motor out on this car. I'm gonna do some upgrades on my Eclipse, and yeah, I'm just trying to piece together a video for you guys. And also just make sure and watch it till the end, because I do have a little quick minute video for you guys to watch. One of my buddies from Instagram, his name is, he reached out to me, and his name is Dylan Collins, and he asked me if he could draw my Supra, the black one, and I was like, hell yeah. And he sent me a time-lapse video, and honestly, I know he probably spent a lot of time on that, so I do want to thank him, and I'm going to show you guys. So just make sure you watch it all the way. And Dylan, thank you so much, man. That was an awesome picture. And while you guys enjoy this video, I'm going to be working on this car. I got a lot of stuff to do. Trying to get it ready for like the POV videos and stuff like that. But I don't know how long this shitty W58 transmission is gonna last, so just wish me luck. So it's time to get some headlights that are gonna look nice from all distances. Let me show you what I got. What the hell? Are y'all kidding me? I know dogs pee on your wheels, but these guys are actually pissing on my car. What the hell? Anyways, man. Alright, so it's really cold, and how many of y'all wear, like, you'll have a jacket on, but then you still have shorts? I don't know why I've always done that. Like, I think I got that from my cousins. Whenever I moved from California here to Texas, my cousins they were always wearing shorts. It could be like 30-40 degrees, and they're outside riding bikes wearing shorts. And I don't know, man, I picked it up from them and it hasn't gone away. But anyways, here are the new headlights. Get back, boy, you probably pissed on my ride. These look so much better. It's back to the OEM style. No more projector stuff. So these headlights were actually pretty cheap. Honestly, within the last 10 months of buying car stuff, this is probably the cheapest thing that I've ever bought. Everything I was buying was for Supra, and even if you buy a little clip, it's like $50. So I bought these headlights for 90 bucks shipped. So if you guys want to do this, go to Amazon. All right guys, so look at that. That's beautiful. This compared to that. Gotta get some HIDs for it. I think I'm gonna just drive it like this. People are gonna think it's a race car. Man, I should have done that a long time ago. Those headlights have been in bad shape for at least 5-6 years, but it's never too late. So as y'all know, the motor on my Supra blew up, and I've been working on it as much as I can, but here it is. I'm almost done taking it all apart. Pretty much the only thing I have left to do is unbolt the motor from the transmission, unbolt the stall converter, and take the motor out. Whew. multitasking. Now I gotta get my baby out of the shower and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Now, just to make it clear, my baby was not in the shower by himself. My wife was with him, but she can't get him out for reasons that I'll tell you later. I know I didn't record the entire process of me taking the entire engine apart. Honestly, this is something that I didn't want to record. It's not fun. Seeing my car from what it was to this, it sucks. And that's all she wrote for 2020. We'll see it again in 2021. All right, time to go get this fixed. Getting some runs in here would be really nice. That's actually one of the reasons why I want to move out into the country. I mean, I love my house and everything, but I want to get some land so I can have some free space like this. Motor is dropped off, but now I gotta get on the highway, one of these highways where stop signs in the middle of a highway. So I gotta floor the crap out of my truck. Figured you guys would want to see that. Oh boy. I think I'm gonna go after this one. Or maybe not. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it. No, maybe not. Damn it. Alright, I'm gonna go after this one. Oh, traction control.
US 287 south, 29 miles.
Alright, and we're good. Alright guys, so the motor's dropped off. Super happy about dropping it off here with him. He's very friendly, super knowledgeable, and now I just gotta wait. On the bright side, I did pick up a fuel rail for my wife's Supra, so I guess we're gonna go for some bigger power. Breakdown video on all my cars except for this truck, and I'm not sure how many people you know, they like my truck. I mean, it's pretty nice. I mean, at least I think it's pretty nice. It's not like a brand new truck, but and it's not stock. So if you're interested in this, let me know, and I can definitely do like a build breakdown video, and maybe we could do like some boosted launches, things like that. I mean, the truck does make, I think it's probably over 600 horsepower and over 1,000 foot-pounds of torque, so it's pretty strong. So if you want to see a little bit more of this truck, let me know. Please drop me a comment.